Hi everybody, have a look at these words. ne-go-ti-a-tion. Pretty tricky, huh? Don't worry, I do know how to pronounce them correctly, and I'm going to show you how to do it in this short pronunciation lesson. Welcome back to English for Professionals. I'm Derek and I'm here with another short lesson for you busy people. Before we start, just a quick reminder to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Hit the red button and click on the little bell, and don't forget to join my email list. Every 2 weeks I send out my free vocabulary newsletter with additional business English vocabulary, words from the news and everyday English for you to learn. So check it out, the link is in the description. And now let's start with the lesson. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, let's start with this word. It has 4 syllables and the stress is on the second syllable. So it should sound like this. Negotiate. Negotiate. Say it with me. Negotiate. Ne-go-ti-a-tion. So the last 2 syllables sound like she ate. Ne-go-ti-a-tion. Say it with me again. Negotiate. Negotiate. And now let's have a look at 2 example sentences. We need to negotiate a better price. Say it with me. We need to negotiate a better price. Great. Second example. Paul negotiated a new contract with his manager. Say it with me. Paul negotiated a new contract with his manager. Great. So negotiate is the verb and the noun looks like this. It has 5 syllables and this time the stress is on the 4th syllable. The 4th syllable, and it should sound like this. Negotiation. Say it with me. Negotiation. Ne-go-ti-a-tion. Negotiation. Let's have a look at 2 example sentences. Unfortunately, the negotiation was not a success. Say it with me. Unfortunately, the negotiation was not a success. Great. Now let's have a look at the second example. There will be new negotiations next month. Say it with me. There will be new negotiations next month. Great. Now let's do a quick recap before we finish. Negotiate. Negotiate. We need to negotiate a better price. We need to negotiate a better price. Negotiation. Negotiation. Unfortunately, the negotiation was not a success. Unfortunately, the negotiation was not a success. So that brings us to the end of another short pronunciation lesson. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did like it, hit the like button and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and join my email list. Every 2 weeks I send out my free vocabulary newsletter with additional vocabulary for you to learn. Check it out, the link is in the description. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.